Hey guys, this is Justin from JFK Living, and we're standing out in front of my newest listing, 224 Plymouth Place in Merchantville. This is 5 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, around 2,500 square feet. The sellers have done a lot to update this place, so let's go inside and check it out. As we come in the front door, you see we have this enormous living room here. Lots of sunlight comes through the replaced vinyl windows, hardwood floor throughout, the fireplace behind me. Over here, there is a lot more living space as well. Come follow me through to the dining room and to the kitchen. So in the dining room here, you have, especially once you take out the piano, room for really an enormous dining room table. In the kitchen, we have lots of counter space, ceiling height cabinetry with lots of storage. Down the hall to the right, we have the laundry room combination mud room. It was recently renovated. Past that, there is a full bathroom. And then down the hall to the left is the primary bedroom. There is an ensuite bathroom there with standing shower. And off to the right, we have another bedroom that's currently being set up as a home office. Upstairs, we have 3 more bedrooms, one in the front, side, and back. All good-sized bedrooms with lots of closet space, and there is a bathroom up here as well. Downstairs in the basement, you see here we have great ceiling height, so this could be a workshop, wood shop, whatever you want it to be. The owners recently applied a dry lock treatment down here, so it's a nice dry basement. This is really kind of a unique thing. We don't see basements this nice in an old home like this. Check out this incredible fenced-in backyard. As you can see, we have a pergola over here, recently redone hardscaping. There's a fire pit. We have a nice sized shed in the back. The landscaping's great. This is just a perfect yard for a barbecue. Thanks for taking a tour with me through my newest listing here, 224 Plymouth Place in Merchantville. We're listing this at $350,000. If you want any more information, give me a text or call at 856-375-1324. And remember, this is Living, JFK Living.